Big boy on the rails. Hello everybody, welcome to Old Frail and Decrepit. Today we're going to have a look at the train haul that I got from 3 train shows and 2 antique stores. Now recently I've been able to go to train shows in Omaha, Beatrice, and Dubuque, Iowa. And while I was in the Dubuque area, I also hit a indoor flea market that I knew had a booth in there with model train stuff, and they had some O-gauge stuff there too. So I picked up some things there, and while I was there, they told me about a train show that was going to be that coming Saturday, or that coming Sunday. So I made sure that I was back in Dubuque for the train show and picked up some goodies there too. So the Omaha show was put on by the Nebraska, Iowa Railroaders. The Beatrice show was put on by the Beatrice area railroad enthusiasts. It's not a big show, but had some good deals there too. When I got to Dubuque, that show was put on by the Heartland, I've got my notes here, Heartland Rails Model Railroad Club. And they had their show and meet there in that first weekend in November. So, going to have some videos here showing the different things that I've gotten, and I'm going to have a little bit of a run of as much of that stuff as I can get it all hooked together. Thanks for watching.